Okay students, welcome back to chemistry second year. So in previous class we are discussing chemical reactions of phenols and alcohols. In that concept acidity of alcohols we discussed and reaction with metals. Alcohol reaction with metals also we discussed. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss acidity of phenols and then comparison we are going to discuss. So carefully listen to me students, it is a very important topic. So acidity of phenols we are going to discuss in this class. Acidity of phenols we are going to discuss. See students, phenols are acidic character. It is due to production of proton and phenoxide. Okay, so here phenols are acidic nature phenols are acidic nature due to produce of proton H plus and phenoxide. Phenoxide means C6H5O minus. C6H5O minus. So phenols are acidic nature due to produce of proton and phenoxide ions. Okay. Phenoxide ion is more first how it will produce phenoxide ions means I am writing. So it is a phenol. It is a phenol. Okay. It produces minus plus H plus. It is a phenol. It is a phenol. It is a phenoxide. Phenoxide ion. It is a proton. It is a proton. So phenoxide ion is a more stable. So here you have to know one more point. Phenoxide ion is more stable. If stability is more, automatically acidic character also more. Phenoxide ion is more stable. Okay. So due to more stability due to more stability acidic character increases. Acidic character due to more stability. So phenoxide is more stable. Due to more stability, acidic character is more. Okay. See how phenoxide getting stability means due to its resonating structures. So phenoxide give resonating structures. So due to resonating structures, it is more stable. So phenoxide phenoxide give resonating structures. Resonating structures. Phenoxide give resonating structures. So due to these structures, stability will be increases in phenols. So phenoxide give resonating structures. And due to these resonance structures, due to these resonance structures, stability increases. Due to increasing stability, acidic character increases. Due to increasing stability, acidic character due to increasing stability, acidic character is more. Acidic character is more in phenols. Acidic character is more in phenols. Okay. Now we are going to discuss resonance structures of phenoxide. So phenoxide give the following resonance structures. So here now we are going to discuss phenoxide give the following resonance structures. Phenoxide give the following resonance structures. Okay, see here. It is a phenoxide. It having 3 lone pairs. Here alternately double bonds. Okay. Next, so the lone pair here double bond will be forms here. So here double bond will be forms here, and it will be charge will be shifted to here. Double bond will be forms here and charge will be shifted to here. Okay, so charge will be shifted to here. Then next, see here resonating structure I am. Okay, so here double bond and only 2 lone pairs, and charge will be shifted to here, and then here double bond and here double bond. Okay, then next this double bond will be shifted to here. Okay, then indicating. Okay, so here double bond, it having 2 lone pairs indicating like this, and double bond will be shifted to here. So here to here double bond will be shifted. Next, so here this double bond will be shifted to here. Okay, next gives rise to here double bond O, next two lone pairs, and then here double bond, here negative charge shifted to there. Again the negative charge is so this negative charge is shifted to oxygen, and the lone pair will be here. See here, here it will be shifted to here, and negative charge will be there. Then gives rise to so it is a single bond here, and here single bond, and three lone pairs I am indicating like this. Understand? So double is negative charge will be shifted to here, and this double bond will be in the converted into in the form of a lone pair. So these are resonating structures of phenoxide. Resonating structures of phenoxide. Understand? This is a 1 and 2, and it is a 3, and it is a 4, and it is a 5. Okay, these are resonating structures of phenoxide. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are resonance structures of phenoxide. Okay, now we are going to discuss comparison of acidity of alcohols and phenols. Okay, comparison acidity of alcohols and phenols. Okay, alcohols and phenols both produce alkoxide and phenoxide, means both produce protons, but ethoxide is more stable than ethoxide is less stable than phenoxide due to absence of resonance. Okay, see here, first one, alcohols and phenols both produce proton, For example, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, produces C2H5O minus plus H plus. Okay, next phenol, C6H5OH gives rise to C6H5O minus plus H plus. Okay, it is ethoxide, it is a phenoxide. So it is ethoxide ion, it is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide. Phenoxide ion is more stable than So here phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide. More stable than ethoxide ion. Okay, because resonance structures, phenoxide ion gives resonance structures, but ethoxide ions do not give resonance structures. So acidic character is more in phenols. Understand? So here phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide ion due to resonance structures. Due to resonance structures. So resonance is absent in ethoxide. Phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide due to resonance structures. If stability is more, then acidic character also more. So phenols are more acidic than alcohols. See here, phenoxide is more stable than ethoxide ion due to resonance structures. So if stability is more, then automatically what happened? Acidic character is more. So phenols are more acidic than alcohols. So this is here comparison of acidity of phenols and alcohols and phenols. So here alcohols are more alcohols and phenols both produce proton. So like this. So here it will be produce proton. So due to presence of phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide due to resonance structures. Resonance is absent in ethoxide. So resonance, due to resonance it is more stable. More stability means acidic character also more. So this is acidity of phenols. Understand? So here it is very important for 4 marks. So acidity of phenols means phenols are acidic nature due to production of proton and phenoxide ion. So it is phenol. So it will be produce phenoxide ion and proton. So phenoxide ion is more stable due to more. So phenoxide ion is more stable. So due to more stability, acidic character is more. So here phenoxide give resonating structures due to these phenoxide give resonating structures. Why it is getting stability means due to resonating structures stability increases in phenoxide ions. So here phenoxide give resonating structures, due to these structures stability increases. So due to increasing stability acidic character is more in phenols. Okay, so it is phenoxide is give resonating structures. So okay, due to these resonance structures stability increases. Due to increasing stability, acidic character is more in phenols. So these are the resonating structures of phenols like this. Phenoxide give this type of resonating structures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are resonance structures of phenoxide. Then if you compare, so alcohols of acidity and phenols, then so alcohols and phenols both will be produced. It is ethoxide ion and phenoxide ion. It is ethyl alcohol, that is a phenol. It is ethyl alcohol. It is a phenol. It is a phenol. So phenoxide is more stable than ethoxide due to resonance structures. So phenols are due to stability, acidic character is more. So phenols are more acidic character than alcohols due to stability, more stability in phenoxide. So acidic character is more. Automatically, phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay. So this is the way we will discuss acidity of alcohols. Yesterday we discussed, in this class we discussed acidity of phenols and comparison acidity of alcohols and phenols. Very important topic it is. Okay, for 4 marks. Next, so time is going to be finished, I hope. So we will discuss in the next class. Okay.